Destroy them with lasers.
They're gonna be flanking to the back of us too, so be careful. I'm gonna reload. One thing that's such a pain. There's still ammo in it. Oh, God!
Yeah, I know, so.
Those little things. Sam, I'd get down a little because they could see your head. Hey, do you guys think I should go over there and watch this place?
I don't think so. Okay.
Yeah?
Go. Check the side road.
Hey, you guys! It's clear down this area. I know, it's just clear. I'm just telling you guys it's clear. God, I'm gonna do this. Tell me when you guys move up. What? They're so crusty. These branches are crusty.
Come up to me. Move up to me. Poke up your head right here. Move up right there. Poke up your head. Look straight. That's a fucking lot of guys.
Oh my God. Do they not see us?
They are kind of firing, but they're too far.
Okay, I'm gonna go back over there. Try to.
So that sounds like a fucking machine.
Okay,
Right, go back over there. I'll wait here first.
Okay, if I don't respond, that means I can't hear you.
What, you been crazy?
What?
Push.
No.
Good. I'm going first.
We can push all the way around. Christian's here. They pushing up?
Aaron, what are you doing?
I'm guarding the left.
Get up. Move up more, dude. They're all spotted right now. Look to your right, you can spot it.
What?
Yeah, come on.
We're walking down?
Get down.
Oh.
So, 2 of us can run that way. 2 of us guys stay here. Then we get distracted by us. In 3 minutes, you guys go. What time is it? Alright, you have 15 minutes. It's around 18, 19 minutes. You guys go. Me and Sam, come on. You take this thing at 19 minutes, right? Yeah. Take a thing when it's been 3 minutes, alright? When it's been what?
3
3
minutes.
minutes. When it's been 3 minutes.
Okay, check. When it's 19 minutes. Hey, watch up there. We gotta stick together as a squad.
Aaron, watch my back.
I can't watch your back.
Look over the window.
Look up there.
Yeah?
That kid's out, yeah. Teammates moving on our 6. Yep.
Friendly.
Hey, now
Yeah, friendly.
we can move up with them. Now we can move up with them.
Watch it. Christian, you're right.
He's a team. He's dead.
Watch the right. Watch the right. Hey, all up on this ridge over here, it's full of enemies.
Oh shit, they're down there. They're all over here.
They're all up there.
Hey, let's follow Christian and them. Let's go. You guys stay here, and they're gonna start. You guys, if you guys stay here, in a couple minutes, we're gonna start rushing behind them. You guys can rush right in front of them, okay? They're all aligned this ridge, okay? 6 up. 6 up.
Contact front.
Contact front.
Right there. We're out of range for him. Awesome. Aaron, watch out. There's a dude with a horse.
Horse? Horse?
Yeah, right with the horse. Oh, yeah, sometimes they shoot at it. It's so cool.
Go all the way
All
around.
the way around. Follow this road. Or you can go up here.
Hey, good job. Hey, they're pushed up. Let's push up. Hey, they're pushed up. Let's push up. You see him? There's enemies up there. We gotta move up over there. Let's move up on them. On them, okay?
Where are they?
They're in the near that rubble. Hurry up, there's enemies to the left.
Watch my right, watch my right.
There's enemies up there.
The bush run? Yeah, I got my goggles. My gun is fucking outside. We're kind of burnt for the bit. Watch it.
We're on you, we're on you, we're on you.
Got him. Left, Sam, go left. Sam, go left. Aaron, go left. That was you? Christian, you have a couple guys behind you. Out there? We have 3 friendlies right here, and we have contact front. You guys, come behind us. So we'll watch our 6.
Hey, they're falling back.
I know, there's a guy back here.
But those guys are falling back.
Come back here, dude.
Sammy, let's push up on those guys.
No. They're gonna be coming up behind us.
Oh, someone's trying to shoot at us. Someone's trying to shoot at us.
I got him.
Get down.
Through the bush.
Christian, someone's trying to shoot at us.
Oh shit, you're right front. There's guys back there too. No, we don't go back there, we go up there. That's their spawn, dude. Exactly, keep the eye on that.
Taking them out. Stay down, stay covered.
Sixto, what are you doing? Where are they going?
That's their spawn.
Where are they going?
Keep an eye on it, Gio. That's all you need to fucking do. Then move up, tell us. Alright, watch my roof.
Hey, there's a kid right up there. I'm gonna rush up and get that kid, okay?
And make sure you don't get shot. If you get shot, call it out.
Call it loud?
Yeah.
What? Hey, there's a guy right straight ahead. Reloading.
Got one.
We got a flank. What's out here? Thank God. I got those guys. Huh? No, I got those guys.
Why did you just say contact 12?
Oh, because you guys were over here and I thought you guys were shooting at them already.
I fucking hear you!
go up, go up, go up.
Go. What the fuck did you mean, ridge?
Behind us, up on the ridge.
Oh, he meant behind us.
Yeah, there's
He's on
spawn.
the fucking ridge. I think that's the ridge. He said contact up, but he doesn't fucking see him.
Oh, talk.
I'm not fucking a fox. Contact up, bro. We even know we're looking this way.
That terrain.
Dude, why the fuck are you screaming your head off? You're not gonna shoot from here, Gio. I'm out. You're not gonna shoot from here, just wasting ammo. You see the fucking people in the bush? Yeah. They're close. You said contact 12. I was fucking walking this way. Yeah, you gotta be more specific. I said on my 12.
Who cares?
You said 12.
Yo. Calm down. Get back in the battle.
Give him back, give him back.
Oh, lead force.
Wait, no. Oh.
There's nothing else, Feed. I'm sorry.
I think that one might be out. You might not have to. You might have to load it.
I don't have any more ammo.
Okay, well,
All I got.
just
This
be
is a longer
conservative.
range
Be
than I
conservative.
Oh, do you have a high cap?
No, I only have one mid cap. One more mid cap. Hey, let's flank all the way to the right.
No, they're right there. They're right there in front. Watch.
These guys are on our team. Why would you say it so loud?
Flank to the left.
Yeah, now they know him. Good job.
Let's do a rush to the hill.
Oh no, that's a suicide.
Have these guys rush to the hill.
Have these guys?
Yeah.
Hey, come here!
Hey, you guys.
This is all right here. These are all fucking. We need you guys to. Alright, me and these two, all four of us, they're gonna flank left, we're gonna flank right. We need you guys to attack front. Is that cool with you guys? Just push front.
Repeat that?
Alright, you guys are gonna attack front. Me and you're gonna attack right, and then attack left. So their spawn comes right there. We need to attack and flank them to get this side over here. Want to do that? Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
I say go.
Okay, you can lead this mission. There's a guy right up there. So, the enemy's pushed up on the top.
Yeah, but that's just because that's their spawn. So they have that whole ridge. If we even get close,
See them up there?
they're gonna shoot us. Yeah.
But how are we gonna get up there?
I know. This is open fire.
Hey, if we move up to those guys, we can hit those guys. They just spotted us. They just spotted us. There's a guy down here. Look to the right. I'll cover your left. They're shooting at us. They're shooting at us. Those guys are there. Yeah, those guys.
Stay as far away from that ridge as you can.
Why did they push us to the left? Oh, they're moving forward. Let's move straight. Let's move straight all the way to the side.
But that ridge is gonna get us.
I know, but there's nobody on that side. We can flank up. Go. They're pointing at us. They're pointing at us. Is that a ref or? Go back! Go back! Oh my God! Shit. Okay, let's do this. Just push up, just run.
Christian, you're all up there close!
Reloading!
Got him. Oh, crap! Ah!
No! Tactical cramp, no!
Oh!
I'm gonna go to the left.
Go there.
My pants are falling! Okay, this belt is coming off. Okay, it's good. We're good. Oh my God! Hit!